Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial by Zebra Code. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Git software on Windows 10 platform. This tutorial may also work on other versions of Windows operating system. Before we download Git, let's quickly look at what exactly Git is. What is Git? It is a version control system. And from their website, it says Git is a free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. This message is from the official website, and if you have used Git before, you will agree with this message. For us to download the Git software, we will go to their official website. You can do a Google search for Git download and follow the result that you will get on Google, or you can follow this link on the screen to get to their official website. But for me, I will follow this link to get to their official website where we can download the Git software. By following the link in the previous slide, I am now on their official website. As at the time of recording this video, this is how their website looks. You can click on Downloads here to download it, or you can also click here Download for Windows. It depends on your operating system. It will automatically detect your operating system. In my case, I am on Windows and it has detected it. So I will click Downloads for Windows. I'll click on this. And this page will open, Download for Windows. We can use different installation methods. Here, other Git for Windows download, standalone installer for 32 bits or 64 bits, or the portable version of it. But for me, I will click on this one here, click here to download. Now it is downloading. Great, it has finished downloading. Now let's navigate to where it was downloaded to on our computer. In my case, I will click on Show in Folder to navigate to where it was downloaded to on my computer. Click on Show in Folder. Great, it was downloaded to my Downloads folder. Find out where yours was downloaded to. It is likely going to be in your Downloads folder as well on your computer. It is an executable file, so I'm going to double click on it to install it. Double click on it. Now this setup window will open. Scroll down to the bottom and read the license agreement. If you are happy with it, click Next. Here, leave everything as it is by default. In the installation process, we are most likely going to click on Next for everything. We will be using the default settings and we will be clicking Next to continue. So on this page, leave everything as it is and click Next. Here again, click Next. By default, Let Git Decide is selected on this window. Also click Next. Here, leave it as it is by default and click Next. Here, also for the Open SSL library, leave it as it is by default and click Next. Choose default behavior of Git pull, leave it as it is by default and click Next. Here, configuring experimental options, you can choose enable experimental support for sudo console or enable experimental built-in file system monitor. You can choose any of them, or you can also decide not to choose any of them. In my case, I won't choose any of them. I will just leave it as it is by default. Now I will click Install. Now the setup is installing the Git software. Great. Now the setup wizard has completed the installation process. Here you can click Launch Git Bash or View Release Notes. I'm going to untick this one, and now I will click Finish. Now let's use the command line to check if Git was installed successfully. In your search area, type in cmd, command prompt. Now type in git space --version and hit enter. Great. Here it says Git version 2.40.0 was installed on my computer successfully. So this is how you install the Git software on your computer. In this tutorial, we have learned how to download and install Git on Windows 10 platform. You can also use the technique to install Git software on any other Windows operating system platform. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.